Retro-DWS is the only system available on the market certified to be installed directly inside non-pressurized drains, waste, and sewage pipes. Retro-DWS easily installs inside standard 3-inch or 4-inch ABS pipe by way of an accessible female threaded cleanout, thereby eliminating expensive excavation costs. Retro-DWS is commonly used in applications like homes, cabins, and cottages equipped with gravity-fed septic systems. The Retro-DWS is also used to protect large metallic and non-metallic pipes and tanks such as culverts, holding tanks, and septic tanks. The system arrives job-ready and includes all the necessary plumbing fittings and power supply. The Retro-DWS simply plugs into a 120-volt or 240-volt receptacle and is provided complete with GFCI protection as per the Canadian and National Electrical Codes. No extra electrical work is required. The installation of the Retro-DWS could not be more simple and is often completed in less than an hour. Similar to other heat line products, the Retro-DWS is engineered to be fully serviceable. If service to the drainage system is required for any reason, the entire Retro-DWS can be removed and reinstalled with ease. Retro-DWS is safe, highly reliable, and exceptionally energy efficient. The Retro-DWS is manufactured with time-tested heat-line self-regulating heating cable, factory installed inside a 1/2-inch high-density polyethylene tube, and finished with a proprietary fusion end seal. In sewer and wastewater applications, having a heating cable in direct contact with the liquids contained in the pipe is not a safe or approved solution. The innovative Retro-DWS tubular design serves as a protective shield against the fluid within the pipe while delivering highly efficient freeze protection. This technology renders Retro-DWS the sole certified freeze protection system available on the market for non-pressurized wastewater applications. The Retro-DWS can also adapt to large diameter pipe, culvert, and tank applications. It effectively provides a meltwater path allowing the flow of liquids through the heated channel. Eliminate the need to install energy-expensive, high-watt density heating cables by employing the Retro-DWS on your next project. Retro-DWS is certified by CSA and exceeds the highest quality standards and certifications available in North America. Unlike outdated heat tape, the heat-line self-regulating heating cable in the Retro-DWS system ensures pipes are never at risk of overheating, even if the pipe is dry. In addition to this, pipes can be safely insulated to further increase energy efficiency and extreme cold climate reliability. Manufactured, designed, and patented in North America, the Retro-DWS comes with a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Enjoy the winter season with confidence, thanks to the most reliable, easily installed, and energy-efficient in-pipe heating cable system available on the market today.